Our sense of touch can be the key to the sometimes baffling world of new materials. Zoe Loughlin, a curator at the Materials Library in London's University College, is an artist as well as a scientist. And her love of materials is about sensuality and fun.
You've got to kind of touch materials to really understand them. And one of my favourite to touch is this guy. Now, this is quite heavy. And it looks like it wouldn't be. It's soft and it's fine, so delicate. Each one of these individual strands is like the 10th the size of a human hair. And it's incredible because this is 100% steel. But it's super, super soft, super silky. I mean, it's a bit like my parents' cat. It's kind of beautiful, elegant, steel, yarn, ball, stuff. Beautiful.
Zoe also cherishes materials because they bridge the past and the future. In amongst the synthetic skins, spacecraft soup, diamonds and socks, Zoe has a soft spot for the comedians and shapeshifters of the material world.
This really unassuming piece of wire is actually really remarkable. It tells you a lot about the crystal structure of metals, but also the relationship between materials and objects. So I put that there and grab this blowtorch. So we need a bit of heat to activate this. So turn it on, and then it transforms into a paperclip. And what's happening there is the crystal structure of the metal is realigning itself, and the crystals are returning to the place they were when they were born. So this memory, the memory of the metal is the memory of the crystals, and they'll realign themselves to form the shape of a paperclip.
For Zoe, materials might be magical, but she knows very well they're not magic. Their special effects are down to hard science.
It's really difficult to pick a favourite out of the thousands of materials we have, but if I'm pushed, I always come back to aerogel. Now, this is something that was donated to us by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory at NASA. And at the time they made it, it was the lightest solid in the world. So nothing was lighter than this. But it's blue for the same reasons that the sky is blue. So it's how light scatters through it, not how it absorbs and reflects certain wavelengths. So it's basically like solid sky. And it was developed to catch stardust. So it's basically a poem. I mean, is there anything more poetic than something light to catch stardust?